Hi, today we will be checking out how to reset your phone. In particular, here a Windows phone Lumia 520 to factory settings by erasing all the data on the device and making it just like new. Right? You need to go to settings of the phone. You can find it here. Just you can find the settings tab by just moving the screen or by clicking this arrow and go to settings, right? And here you need to find out about phone option. Just say here it is, about phone, and here you will find a tab for reset your phone, right? This one, the reset your phone is there. If you can see, can you see? Yeah, here it is. The reset your phone option is there. Just click it, and then you will be asked that if you want to erase your content, as resetting your phone will erase all your present content including apps that you have purchased and downloaded, and will restore the factory settings. Do you want to continue? Just click on yes. It will ask you again that if you are sure to erase all your personal content from the phone, just click on yes, and it will start doing the things and make it, converting it to factory setting, right? It will jump to, it will reboot, and let's see what happens. As you can see on the screen, it is goodbye. The device is rebooting. You can see the Nokia logo. It takes sometimes during all this resetting process. You can see the gear icons running along. Looks as if something is being worked upon behind the scenes. It will take more approximately 1 to 2 minutes for resetting your device. We are still waiting for it to finish. While this is happening, do not try to stop this either by removing your battery or doing something else on the phone. It usually takes some time to reset the device compared to any other device which we have used, perhaps at least compared to the Android devices. The time taken by this Windows phone Lumia 520, the time taken is much more compared to what it takes on an Android device to reset your device to factory settings. Yeah, looks like it's almost done. Let's see what happens next. It must reboot again. Yeah, as you can see, the device has started rebooting again, and it will reboot in few more seconds. Let's see. The device will be just like a new device, so you need to do all the initial settings all over again, starting from scratch. Initially the first boot usually of any device takes much longer time than the normal boots. We are still waiting. Just have patience while doing this, because sometimes if you feel like it is taking too much time, and you may obstruct it, but usually avoid this. It will boot up. As you can see, the device is booted up, right? You can see the initial Windows screen of your Lumia device welcoming you to Windows Phone. You need to just click on Get Started, select your language here, then accept the conditions. You can just click on the recommended settings. It will take up default settings here. You just select Next. Then you can skip sign in, and it will set up your Windows Phone just like a new device, right? So after few seconds your device will be booted up fully, and it will be just like a new Windows Phone with every data gone which you may have saved before resetting the device, and it will be just like a new phone. That's all. Thank you for watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just use the link at the top left corner of this video to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.